Welcome to our agri-adventure. In this video, we're exploring the future of farming with some mind-blowing machinery. Stay tuned to witness the incredible capabilities of these cutting-edge tools. John Deere T560i. The John Deere T560i is a cutting-edge combine harvester, embodying innovation and efficiency in agricultural machinery. Powered by advanced technology, this model features a robust engine that ensures optimal performance in harvesting various crops. Equipped with a spacious and comfortable cab, the T560i offers an ergonomic and user-friendly environment for operators during long working hours. Its precision agriculture capabilities make use of sophisticated sensors and GPS technology to enhance accuracy in crop harvesting. The combine's intelligent systems enable it to adapt to varying field conditions, maximizing productivity. With a high-capacity grain tank, the T560i minimizes downtime by reducing the frequency of unloading. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates every day. John Deere 8R340. The John Deere 8R340 is a powerful and versatile tractor designed to meet the demands of modern agriculture. Featuring a robust 9.0L PowerTech trademark engine, it delivers exceptional horsepower and torque for efficient field operations. The tractor is equipped with the latest precision farming technologies, including integrated GPS and advanced automation systems, enhancing productivity and accuracy. Its spacious command view trademark cab provides operators with a comfortable and ergonomic workspace, reducing fatigue during long hours of operation. The 8R340 boasts a sturdy and durable construction, ensuring reliability in various farming conditions. With its multiple hydraulic options and customizable features, it adapts to a wide range of implements and applications. Fortschritt was a brand associated with agricultural machinery, particularly well known for its combine harvesters. One notable model produced by Fortschritt was the E512, which gained popularity in the mid-20th century. These harvesters were recognized for their robust design and efficient grain harvesting capabilities. The Fortschritt harvesters, including the E512, were equipped with advanced features for their time, incorporating cutting-edge technology into agricultural practices. The machines were designed to handle various crops with precision, contributing to increased productivity for farmers. John Deere 4755. The John Deere 4755 is a classic tractor model that was part of the 55 series, known for its power and versatility. Introduced in the late 1980s, the 4755 was equipped with a robust 7.6L six-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, providing ample horsepower for various farm applications. Its synchro-range transmission offered multiple gears for efficient speed control during field work. The tractor featured an ergonomic and comfortable cab, incorporating advanced technology for its time. The 4755 was praised for its reliability, durability, and adaptability to different implements. With dual rear wheels, it ensured stability and traction, making it suitable for heavy-duty tasks. John Deere 6175R. The John Deere 6175R is a modern and versatile tractor that combines power with advanced technology for efficient farm operations. Powered by a 6.8L six-cylinder diesel engine, the 6175R delivers substantial horsepower, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. Its AutoPower trademark transmission ensures seamless and precise speed control for enhanced productivity. Equipped with the CommandView trademark 3 cab, the 6175R provides a comfortable and user-friendly environment for operators, featuring advanced controls and integrated technology. Precision farming is made easier with the tractor's compatibility with GPS guidance systems and telematics. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates every day. Claas Tucano 320. The Claas Tucano 320 is a modern and efficient combine harvester designed for versatility in various grain crops. Powered by a powerful engine, this model delivers reliable performance and high harvesting capacity. Its compact design ensures maneuverability in the field, even in challenging terrains. Featuring the Claas APS threshing system, the Tucano 320 ensures thorough grain separation and gentle crop handling. The Comfort Cab provides operators with a spacious and ergonomic workplace, equipped with advanced controls and a clear view of the harvesting process. The Auto Crop Flow system optimizes the harvesting process by adjusting settings automatically, enhancing efficiency and reducing operator workload. John Deere 8R410. The John Deere 8R410 stands out as a powerful and advanced tractor model, representing the pinnacle of modern agricultural technology. With a robust 9.0L PowerTech trademark engine, this tractor boasts impressive horsepower, ensuring efficiency in a variety of farming applications. Its CommandView trademark cab offers a spacious and comfortable environment for operators, equipped with state-of-the-art controls and technology. The 8R410 features advanced precision farming capabilities, integrating GPS and automation for precise field management. Its E23 trademark PowerShift transmission allows for seamless speed control and adaptability to different tasks. This model's versatility is further enhanced by its compatibility with a wide range of implements and attachments. John Deere 7750i. The John Deere 7750i is a formidable self-propelled forage harvester renowned for its high-performance capabilities in the field. Powered by a robust engine, this model delivers substantial horsepower to efficiently process a variety of crops. Equipped with advanced harvesting technology, the 7750i features a sophisticated crop flow system and kernel processing unit, ensuring optimal forage quality. Its spacious ProDrive trademark cab provides operators with a comfortable and ergonomic workspace, featuring intuitive controls and a comprehensive information display. The Harvest Lab trademark sensor system enhances precision by providing real-time analysis of crop composition, contributing to improved feed quality. The 7750i's adaptability is showcased through its compatibility with various headers and attachments, making it a versatile choice for different harvesting needs. With the innovative JD-Link trademark telematics system, the harvester enables remote monitoring and data management, enhancing operational efficiency. Colossal Jaguar 9XX. The Colossal Jaguar 9XX series represents the epitome of precision and efficiency in forage harvesting machinery. Powered by robust engines, these self-propelled forage harvesters, such as the Jaguar 960 or Jaguar 980, deliver impressive horsepower for optimal crop processing. The dynamic power system ensures consistent power output, adapting to various field conditions. Equipped with the renowned Colossal V Max chopping cylinder, the Jaguar 9XX series guarantees precise and uniform chopping of forage, enhancing overall feed quality. Its advanced crop flow and particle measurement systems contribute to improved silage quality. The spacious and ergonomically designed SAVI's, Colossal Electronic Onboard Information System, CAB offers operators a comfortable workspace with intuitive controls and comprehensive monitoring capabilities. The autofill system simplifies the unloading process, enhancing operational efficiency. John Deere S770. The John Deere S770 is a robust and efficient combine harvester, designed to meet the demands of modern agriculture. Powered by a high-capacity engine, the S770 offers substantial horsepower for optimal grain harvesting in diverse field conditions. Its advanced harvesting technology includes the Combine Advisor trademark system, optimizing settings for improved efficiency and grain quality. Featuring the ProDrive trademark transmission, the S770 ensures seamless speed control and adaptability to varying crop densities. The spacious Command View trademark 3 cab provides operators with a comfortable and ergonomic workspace, equipped with intuitive controls and integrated technology for precision farming. With a large grain tank capacity, the S770 minimizes unloading frequency, maximizing productivity during harvest. The Active Terrain Adjustment trademark system enhances stability on uneven terrain, contributing to reliable performance. Ferguson 8740. The Massey Ferguson 8740 is a powerful and versatile tractor designed to meet the demands of modern agriculture. With a robust engine delivering substantial horsepower, this model is well suited for a variety of field and hauling tasks. Its DynaVT continuously variable transmission ensures smooth and efficient power delivery, enhancing operational flexibility. Featuring a spacious and well-appointed cab, the 8740 provides operators with a comfortable and ergonomic workspace. Advanced technology, including precision farming features and integrated controls, makes this tractor user-friendly and efficient. The tractor's versatility is highlighted by its compatibility with various implements, allowing farmers to tackle a range of agricultural activities with ease. The DynaVT transmission optimizes fuel efficiency, contributing to cost savings and sustainability in farming operations. Fendt 933 Vario. The Fendt 933 Vario is a high-performance tractor that combines power with cutting-edge technology for efficient agricultural operations. Powered by a robust engine, the 933 Vario delivers ample horsepower to handle a diverse range of tasks, from fieldwork to transport. Its Vario transmission ensures seamless speed control and adaptability to varying conditions. Equipped with the Fendt Visio Plus cab, operators enjoy a spacious, comfortable, and ergonomically designed workspace. The intuitive controls and advanced technology integrated into the cab contribute to enhanced productivity and ease of operation. Precision farming is a key feature of the Fendt 933 Vario, with advanced GPS and automation systems for accurate field management. The tractor's versatility is showcased through its compatibility with various implements, making it a valuable asset on the farm. That's all for you today. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.